Welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, I will show you exactly how to remove organization from Windows 10 so you can regain full control of your computer. Step 1. Press Windows +R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box, type Regedit, and press Enter. This opens the Registry Editor, which lets you make advanced changes to Windows settings. Step 2. In the Registry Editor, navigate to the path HKY Local Machine and Software Microsoft U Enrollments. This location stores information about work or school accounts linked to your PC. Step 3. Look carefully for the folder that corresponds to the work or school account you want to remove. Identifying the correct folder is important to avoid deleting the wrong account information. Step 4. Right-click the folder you identified and select Delete. This action removes the account registration from your system completely. Step 5. Close the Registry Editor and restart your computer. Restarting ensures that all changes take effect and your organization account is fully removed. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.